Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss a topic about Shortly barrier diode in fourth unit. At low frequency, the conventional diode can be easily turned off by changing its biasing condition from forward to reverse condition. But at very high frequency, conventional diode shows a tendency to store the charge and there is noticeable current in reverse of cycle. If the diode is suddenly reverse biased, the stored carriers existing in depletion region can flow in the reverse direction for some time. The time taken by a diode to turn off from its forward bias state is called as reverse recovery time. It is denoted as TRR. For frequency up to 10 MHz, it is very small, but above 10 MHz, it is large and puts a limit on the use of conventional diode in such high frequency application. Poor rectification in high frequency. So this diagram shows a diode is connected with one power supply and series with load. We are having the response like this for normal frequency at high frequency. For normal frequency, there is no tails in output, but in high frequency there is a tails on negative off cycles. The limitation in conventional diode is shot out by using Shortly barrier diodes. Now we are going to discuss about construction and working of Shortly barrier diode. For the construction, the diode which are specially manufactured to solve the problem for switching are called Shortly diode. The construction is different from PN junction diode. It consists of metal semiconductor junction. This diode is called as Shortly diode, surface barrier diode or hot carrier diode. So this is the construction diagram for a Shortly diode. It is taken as in the figure. This diagram shows the symbol of Shortly barrier diode. Usually N-type silicon is used as a semiconductor. Different metals such as molybdenum, platinum, chromium or tungsten are used for different construction techniques. In both materials, electron is a majority carriers. When a contact is made between the two materials, the electron is from N-type semiconductor, its flow into the metal. This is because of kinetic energy level of a majority carriers, that is electrons in the N region, higher than the electrons in the metal region. Due to the high kinetic energy of the majority charge carriers of the injected carriers is called hot carriers. That's why the Shortly diode is otherwise called as hot diode. This heavily sorry this heavily flow of electron is from N region to metal. It creates the depletion region or barrier near the junction. It acts like a boundary. Due to the majority carriers free electron, Shortly diode cannot store the charge. Hence, due to lack of charge storage, it can switch off very fast. It can be easily switched off for the frequency above the 30 MHz. So, let me conclude the topic with the characteristics of Shortly diode. The barrier at the junction for a Shortly diode is less than of normal PN junction diode in both forward and reverse bias region. This diagram shows the forward and reverse bias characteristics of Shortly diode. The barrier potential of Shortly diode is 0.25 volt as compared to 0.7 volt for normal diode. This is the forward characteristics of Shortly diode, and this is the reverse bias characteristics of Shortly diode. The dotted line shows the normal PN, that is conventional PN junction diode, forward and reverse characteristics. So this is the cutoff voltage for PN junction diode, and this is the cutoff region for Shortly diode. So Shortly diode is switched on very fast when compared to the PN junction diode. Similarly, in reverse bias condition also, Shortly diode is switched on very fast when compared to the conventional PN junction diode. Then we are going to discuss about application of Shortly diode. Due to the fast switching characteristics of the Shortly diode, very useful for high frequency applications such as digital computer, high speed TTL, that means transistor logic, radar systems, mixers, detectors in communication equipments, and analog to digital converters. Rectifying output at high frequency, eliminating tails on negative off cycle. This diagram shows the one of the application of Shortly diode for removing the tails in the negative off cycle in output. So it only produces the positive off cycles of the input. So it shows the rectification in the high frequency. So this is the one of the application of Shortly diode.